Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a coconut rice and beans recipe for you. I'm using red kidney beans, and this is how I like to cook my beans, with scallion and fresh garlic cloves, and you let it cook like that. It took about 45 minutes to get this cooked, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the fun stuff. Hi, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am using vegetable oil. You may use whatever oil you like. You can use avocado or olive oil, even coconut oil if you want a more intense flavor. This seems like a lot. I'm cooking a lot of rice. This is about half a cup of oil, vegetable oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry my épices. I'm using about 2 big spoonfuls of that épice. I am cooking a lot of rice, so all that is called for. Once you put in your épice in the hot oil, you're gonna let it cook, fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. Let it get a little brown so it can get a much richer flavor. So once your épice is about like that, looking like that, you're gonna go ahead and add the red beans. You're gonna drain it. You're gonna save the water for the rice to add it to it later, but you're gonna just go ahead and add the beans and let it get some flavor for a few minutes. So after you've added the beans, you can go ahead and add in your dry seasonings. I'm using Maggi powder. You can go ahead and add some of that. Like I said, I don't usually measure my stuff. I just eyeball everything. So, just keep tasting your food as you're cooking. And I'm using also this Knorr chicken seasoning. It's really good. I like it. And some freshly ground pepper. And some Himalayan pink salt. I love Himalayan pink salt or sea salt. These are my favorite salts to use. They're the best salts, so yeah. So once you've added all your dry seasoning, go ahead and give that a little stir. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the coconut oil. I am using this coconut oil. Remember when the owner of Goya came out with supporting Trump? Yeah, fuck him, but I like Goya food, so. And I'm also using creamed coconut. Be careful with, not coconut cream, because coconut cream is sweet, and I made that mistake using coconut cream and it turned out to be sweet. I didn't know, but make sure you use creamed coconut. And go ahead and add the water from the beans and add extra water depending on how much rice you're using. You go ahead and add more water, and go ahead and add my fresh parsley and fresh thyme leaves. I cannot cook without these 2 herbs, and some pepper to give a little spice. Also using red bell pepper for extra flavor. You go ahead, if you're using cloves, make sure you put it in the pepper so that way it's not all over the food. So I am using some dried shrimp to give it a little extra flavor. Not a lot, just about 2 tablespoons, just a little bit of flavor to keep you wondering what that flavor is, but not too much, because I have the coconut oil. I don't want too many flavors on there. I mean coconut milk. Excuse me. And I am using basmati rice. I love basmati rice. I'm not a big fan of jasmine. I like jasmine, but basmati rice is my favorite. And remember to wash your rice. Well, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but wash it if you want. I wash my rice. Once that's done, you go ahead and add it in the water. A tip, when you're cooking rice, if you want your rice to be grainy, you want it to be above the water, like this. If you want it to be a little bit, not grainy, it's fine if it's under the water, but that's grainy above the water. So go ahead and stir it, make sure everything is covered. And we're using lily butter. If you're not using lily butter, are you even Haitian? Like, it's the best butter, period. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button, or at least give me a thumbs up. Thank you, it's very much appreciated. So now we're gonna go ahead and give this another stir, one last stir. Make sure the butter is melted and, you know, spread evenly. And at this point, you're gonna lower your heat on low so the rice cook slowly. The old-fashioned way, you'd want to cover this with foil or plastic, but you don't need that. So this is the final product. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to fully cook, and this is it. Beautiful, grainy, tasty coconut rice. Okay, and I'm just gonna say this: we Haitians make the best rice. Okay, no one else in the world beside us. This is why they don't like us, and it's fine because we have the best of everything. We make the best of everything. Okay, period. And yes, this was just delicious. Everybody loved it, and I really hope you try this recipe and let me know if you do. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for more. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you.